Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you've been doing well. For today's video, we are doing a makeup tutorial as well as trying out new products. So if you're curious to see how we achieve this look as well as some of the products I used, keep watching. So I'm going to start first with the eyes. I am using the Milani eyeshadow primer. The other day, I found a set of brushes on TJ Maxx. So I got them for like a discount since they were on pretty much sale. So it's like a lot of brushes and it comes with the packaging's all beat up, but I got it at a discount. And it looks like this. It comes with a, what is it, like a brush holder? Very cute. And then a whole new set. It's like everything in here, perfect for eyes, face, whatever. So I'm gonna grab one fluffy brush to get started. First brush of choice, this one's number 18, so it's fluffy, looks like this. I grabbed my Rude Cosmetics the Roaring 20s palette, and I'm just gonna start with this shade RSVP and just go all over my crease. Using the same brush, I'm going to use Sparks and apply it on my outer corner of my eye. Now grabbing a different brush, this one's brush number 16. It's labeled Small Shadow Brush. I will be applying sequins on the center of my eye. Following with a different brush, I'm using brush number 21. This one is named Flat Mini Blending Brush. Doesn't look flat to me, but it's a blending brush. I will be applying splash on my inner corner. I was debating if I wanted to do eyeliner or no eyeliner, but I just decided to just go with mascara. So I'm going to be using Tower 28. This is one of my favorite mascaras at the moment. I ended up buying more and I found like this set that had both their black and brown shades. It was a set of 2 for the price of 1 and it was just perfect. It was like meant to be. So I grabbed some more and stocked up on more of this mascara. Moving on with the face, I'll be using the Glow Recipes Watermelon Glow Dewdrops. I'm going to start with concealer first, just because I got a new one. This one's the Kosas Revealer Super Creamy and Brightening Concealer. I got it in the shade 2.3N. I got the mini version before I commit to the big one to see if I like it. Using another brush here, this one's brush number 9. It's labeled as their large concealer brush. I'm just gonna go in and blend that concealer. This is what it looks like before foundation. I like it so far. It doesn't feel like it dries very fast when I apply it. There's some concealers that if you let it sit there for too long, it just becomes too hard to blend, and this one didn't actually do that, so fun, it's good. Now for foundation, I'll be using the Versed Multi-Serum Skin Tint in the shade 2N. I will be applying this foundation or blending it in with this big brush. This one's brush number 3. It is labeled as Deluxe Foundation Brush. I'm going in with the cream contour. This is a Tower 28 Sculptino Soft Contour Cream. This is in the shade Broad. And grabbing brush number 8, this one's the Deluxe Cream Contour Brush. To set my whole face, I will be using the CoverGirl Clean Invisible Loose Powder in the shade Translucent Fair. And I'll be lightly setting it with brush number 7. This one's called the Tapered Powder Brush. For setting, I always make sure that this area is blended. And then I apply the powder on top, just so there's no like lines under my eyes. I got a new blush. This one is from Fenty Beauty in the shade Lolly Poppy. And I'm gonna try this one out. It looks very orange, or at least when I saw it online. So let's see how it looks like in person. So this is what it looks like outside of the box. It is a high impact color, ultra smooth texture, lightweight formula with a diffused finish. And it's called Suede Powder Blush. So let's try it out. I kind of want to use a big brush, but this one looks so big, and I don't know, maybe I might go with that one. I don't know. Yeah, I kind of just want to go big, so I might just do this one. This one is brush number 2. This one's called the large tapered powder brush. I like how fluffy they are. Okay, I'm just gonna go in. Let's see. It's really bright, so let's see how it works. Here goes nothing. Okay, let me get a mirror. I'm kind of scared to just put it on like that. Okay, let me just go in. Oh, okay. Okay, let's leave it like that, and then I'm just gonna apply it on this side because it's very bright and orange. Okay, let me just use the other side because I want to blend it. Yeah, it's really bright. Oh my god, what am I doing? Okay, let me not put more because clearly a little goes a long way with this product, as I can see. Let me just blend a little more because it's looking a little crazy right now. Okay, this is how far I can blend, but this is what it looks like. There is pigment for sure. Okay, I think because it's a little too much, I'm gonna mute or tone down the pigment, and I'm just gonna go back with the loose powder and then just kind of add on top of it, so then it won't look too much, you know. So when that happens, we're just gonna go back with that loose powder. Just gonna go on top. Oh gosh, that's put too much. And then that should help kind of tone it down a little bit, you know. Okay, I think I got it to my liking, and yeah, I'll be adding a little highlight onto my face. So I'm using the Rare Beauty highlighter in the shade Enlighten, and I will be applying it with another pink brush that I got in my makeup stash. I'm gonna go back and finish up with my eyes using one of the same brushes that I used this one on the outer corner, so I'm gonna use that one on the lower lash line. So I'll be using Sequins. Did I use Sequins, or I think it was Sparks? So I'm gonna use Sparks on this palette and then just go on my lower lash line with it. And then on this inner corner here, I'm just going to apply Splash, just like the top, so just kind of blend top and bottom together. And I'm gonna finish up with some mascara. I went ahead and grabbed my current favorite brow product. So this one's from Benefit. It's called the Precisely My Brow Pencil. I get it in the shade 4. It's one of my favorites. I actually went ahead and bought, this is like a set. So it comes with the brow pencil, the Gimme Brow Fiber Gel, and a 24-hour brow setter. So I restocked. I have, this one's like the one I currently have. It's almost done, but I restocked, so it has that one, and then it came with the brow gel and the other brow setter thing. So I was like, yeah, let's just get the whole thing. Why not? So let's use this for the brows today, and let's get the brows going. Set my brows, I grabbed what was in the box, the 24-hour brow setter, and I'm just gonna set my brows with this one. Moving on with lip, I found this very cute lip gloss set at TJ Maxx. It's a strawberry shortcake themed lip gloss set. So it comes with 4 different shades. So I'm going to use, I think that one would be cute for the makeup look we're going for right now. The other ones are more berry toned, so I think I'm gonna go with that one. Because it has a shimmer to it, berry frost. So it has a shimmer to it. Does it smell like? Oh, it smells like berries. It smells really good. I grabbed the Makeup by Mario lip liner. This one's in the shade Rich Mauve. So I'm just gonna line my lips with it. And this is what it looks like. And I'm going to set my face with a Makeup by Mario setting spray. This is the makeup look. Just to the end of the video with the final look. Thank you guys for sticking around till the end and trying new products with me. And let's see what other looks we can come up with. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!